Hello, how you doing? I'm gonna show you how I clean my Broil King grill this time. What I normally do is down here I keep myself some Windex, the yellow stuff, which is multi-surface disinfectant. I use this remove my mats. I'll take those in and wash in the kitchen. What I do is just gently spray it down, and then take some paper towels and wipe this down. Now you may have seen my paper towel holder over here. What many people don't know is this is actually a match holder. You use it to hold a match in case your starter doesn't work, and you can hold it down and light up the flames. But I use it as a paper towel holder. You just run your paper towel through it and hook it in one of the tool hooks there, and that's it. Now you're clean and you're ready to go next time. Thank you.